Hey, what's going on, guys? All right, so I got a quick and dirty soda review. Dirty soda. This is the Mountain Dew Dirty Cream Soda Dew. Cream Soda Dew. I have the zero, and I also have the full sugar, just because we have to compare it. But promise I'm not drinking the whole full sugar. So yeah, I mean, this is essentially Mountain Dew mixed with cream soda, right? It's a dirty soda. Now, I'll tell you, my experience with dirty soda is only from Sonic. I went to a Sonic once, stopped, got lunch. This was a couple years ago. Oh, no. Last year? 2 years? Maybe like 2 years ago, something like that. And I got a Sprite, and the girl said, "Do you want your Sprite dirty?" It was with my wife. I literally said, "Yeah, make it hella dirty." And I'm like, "What's that?" My wife knew. She's like, "Oh, they're going to put like whipped cream in or something. I don't know, some kind of cream." All right, cool. It was amazing. It was delicious. So the Sonic Ice is like spot on. It was Sprite, which is amazing as it is. And it was like, I guess like a splash of cream, but they had like a lime wedge in there, fresh lime wedge, and a fresh maraschino cherry. But it was amazing. So we'll see if this comes anywhere near how good that was. I like cream soda. I like Mountain Dew. I don't obsess over either. So I'm going to put the phone down, open this up. We'll see what we got. All right, so I got the zero sugar first. All right. Give it a smell. Ooh. Wow, it smells like cream soda with lemon. Bottoms up. I'm not sure if I like that. It's not bad. Not bad. Let's try the regular full sugar, see if that's much different. Bottoms up. Very little difference in taste. Yeah, that's not worth the calories at all. So let's go back to the zero. All right, so the regular does have a little bit more of the flavor. Going back and forth, I could tell it has just a little bit of a stronger flavor. This one's pretty good. It's weird. It's definitely weird. It's a creamy Mountain Dew. Creamy. Some people don't like that word. Oh, no, I'm sorry, moist. People don't like the word moist. Maybe creamy too. I don't know. It's a creamy Mountain Dew. I dig it. I can get down with it. I can F with it. I like it. I'm not going to go out of my way for it, but it's pretty good. It's interesting. So it's not like Mountain Dew specific. Mountain Dew has a specific flavor, but it's really just lemon. It's like a lemon cream soda, which works. Very refreshing for summer coming. Anyway, that's all. Let me know if you tried this, but I like it. So hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Take care.